Alright, so this video is going to be about blowing up or shaking up this Coke Life can. If you see me Coke Explosions one, this is like part 2 but with like physio shit, mate. So gonna get Jack to hold me camera. Gonna shake it up. Alright.
Looks like I'm banging someone.
Can't shake it up anymore because it's got all the carbon dioxide or something. Give it bang, shades, and give it chuck. Give it chuck it in. So here we go. Are you all ready?
Yes, we are. We are going to be very threatening with
Hold on
this.
to your anals. Alright, this is the finishing procedure. And tastes like shit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll come to your house and kill ya.
So scary. So scary.
Threatening!